Hey guys on YouTube. Today I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to create a VM in a virtual machine. So I'm currently on my Windows 11 computer at the moment. It's a laptop. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 10 VM, and yes, it is accessible. You probably may some of you guys, you probably may have seen like other tutorials on how to do VMs, but I've sort of noticed that most people are from, you know, like India, or maybe they do AI, but this is not AI. So yeah, this is not AI. So this is me talking. This is a real person. This is me. And yeah, so let me unmute my desktop audio, as you can probably see on my screen, I guess.
Space not checked.
Okay, so I will
Show OneDrive. Show it. Show BitTorrent 7.
freaking
iCloud button 1 of 8. BitTorrent 7.
hide. I
BitTorrent 7.
will
Exit.
exit that because
OBS
that's
OBS
stupid.
30.1.2.
I will.
Audio mixer window.
Yeah.
OBS unhide all. Lock volume not checked.
Oh
OBS. Show OneDrive.
well.
Show it. iCloud OBS Studio button 2 of 7. OBS
I
64
wanna
hide.
I wanna
OBS
hide that.
V property button 4 of 14. Painless view control. Nameless view header item sort. Status
So
list. Combo box.
currently I have VMware
Preview.
Workstation
Proper
Pro
nameless
open.
view.
I
Nameless
got it
status list view. Combo box
from
collapse. Preview. My proper
someone's
nameless view. Nameless
website.
view header.
I
Painless view
can
control button 4
link
of
to that
preview.
in
My
the
computer not select.
description. But and also I will show you how to create a Windows 10 ISO as well,
Property page. Preview. My computer not.
because I have the Windows 10 thing. So I'm gonna create a virtual machine. I'll be pressing Control plus N at this point. Anyone can do this. I
New
will
virtual.
just be, anyone can do this. I'll just be explaining it differently for us
Cancel button. Next
blind
greater cancel button.
users.
Dialog. Welcome to the new virtual machine wizard. What type of cancel button? Dialog. Welcome. Rate 25. Cancel button.
So I'll tell you what it says. Well, I'll press caps lock B and tell you what it says on the screen. But for people who can see that, they'll know what it says. NVDA will read, well, my screen reader will read the screen out to us.
New virtual machine wizard dialog. Dialog. Welcome to the new virtual machine wizard. What type of configuration do you want? Create a workstation 17.5.x virtual machine in a few easy steps. Create a virtual machine with advanced options such as a SCSI controller type, virtual disk type, and compatibility with older VMware products. Graphic. Welcome to the new virtual machine wizard. What type of configuration do you want? Typical, recommended, radio button checked Alt plus T, custom, advanced, radio button not checked Alt plus C. Create a workstation 17.5.x virtual machine in a few easy steps. Create a virtual machine with advanced options such as a SCSI controller.
Yeah, I don't need that.
Cancel. Next. Dialog. Custom. Typical. Recommended. Help button. Next. Greater button. Alt plus
I'm
N.
gonna press typical and I just had to select those.
Dialog. Install now. From. I cancel. Help. Dial.
So the options we have is like install a disk image ISO file, or you can just do it later. If you were to install it with the disk image ISO file, which I already have, because I mean I already used a VM before, but like on this computer I have an AMD graphics card, so that should be okay. AMD Ryzen 5. I do want to get a Mac, like an Apple Mac for Christmas, so I can mess around with AI on it, but that will have to wait until later. But yeah. Anyway, let's carry on.
Dialog. Install from. I will install the operating system later. Radio button checked Alt plus S. Installer.
I will just show you what this looks like.
See users Joseph downloads Windows.iso. Browse help button. Dial and browse button Alt plus R. And installer. I will help but less back next greater
Yeah,
button
that's
Alt plus N.
simple as it looks.
Dialog. Guest operating system grouping. Microsoft Windows Radio button.
So here we can select the guest operating system. We have
Linux Radio button checked Alt plus L. VMware ESX Radio button checked Alt plus
What
X.
is VMware ES?
Other radio
Whatever.
button. VMware ESX. Version grouping. Version combo box Windows 10 x64.
Let me just check something real quick.
Temporary screen curtain. Screen curtain enable. No, do not calendar notification. Do not disturb toggle button pressed. New screen curtain guest version
Okay, that's fine.
guest operating system grouping. Microsoft Windows Radio button checked version grouping. Version combo box Windows 10 x64 collapsed Alt plus V. Help but less back.
Yep, that's fine.
Location virtual machine location. See users Joseph OneDrive documents for browse less back next greater.
Yeah, that's in my
property
OneDrive.
cancel.
That's okay.
Maximum
See
disk
what
size
we have.
gigabytes.
Okay, we have maximum disk size.
Cancel. Maximum disk 59.60.0.
I'm gonna choose it at about
109.0,
128.
129.0, split virtual, store virtual disk as a single file, radio button checked, Alt plus O.
I will keep it as a single file because when I look at my OneDrive in the notification chevron thing, when I have a look at it, it's like it uploads quite a lot, so it's too much. So I'm gonna keep it on this computer only. Anyway, yeah, it's quite nice to mess around with it.
Dialog, virtual machine name, edit, cancel, dialog.
Okay, we
Windows,
have a thing that we can read.
Windows 10 x64, Windows 10 x64.
Let's turn brightness up because
locate, browse, location, see users Joseph OneDrive dot browse, less back, next create, unavailable, cancel, store, maximum disk size, store, help, but less
oh,
back,
I
next
went
create,
back.
less back, next create,
sorry.
Cancel, dot custom, the virtual machine name, Windows 10, location, see user version, workstation 17, operating system, list item 5, hard disk, 120 memory, 2048 megabytes, 7 of network adapter, NAT 8 of 9, other devices. 2 CPU cores, CD/DVD, USB controller 9 of 9, custom less back die, the customized.
I will fix that.
Hardware.
And then
megabyte memory for hardware dialog, help button. Prop memory for this virtual machine, 2050, 2050.
I will plump that up a bit.
22 memory for this virtual spin button. Megabytes, spin, megabyte, spin, more button 1 of 2, less button 2 of 2, more button 1 of 2, move focus. New virtual, less dialog, less back dot, the virtual machine will be net memory, 2212 mega custom, less back finish button.
I will leave it as it is for now,
name list
until
status.
I need to
combo tree view,
do anything.
Combo box collapse.
Right now I'm gonna
edit devices, edit virtual machine.
Edit virtual machine settings and set up the ISO.
Virtual machine list processor hard disk NVMe summary 100 CD/D network USB controller summary sound card summary auto connect device status grouping connected power on checkbox connection grouping use default device list.
Yeah, I will leave that as it
list
is.
Tab control
because if you leave it as if you leave it on the default host sound card, you'll be able to use your microphone. But say if I were to change it to one of my virtual audio cables, then then it will be weird. Well, technically, but
USB controller network adapter summary NAT 5 of 8 CD/DVD hard disk NV processors summary 2 of 8 memory summary 2.2 gigabytes 1.
Yeah, that's too low.
23.
It's too low.
24.
I'll give it 4 GB if I can fix it.
2692. 2696. List memory. Memories. Windows power on edit virtual.
Okay, let's see. Because every time, if I want to see how much memory it is, normally I'd have to.
Virtual machine. Cancel. Help tab. Tab control. Hardware tab selected 1 of. Process. Memory summary 2.6 gigabytes 1 of 20. 2900. Not ZZ blank. ZZ not 2. Unacceptable care 4. Memory for this virtual machine selection 4000. OK cancel button. OK button. Windows device edit virtual machine.
Not just yet, please. Okay.
Cancel help tab control hard property processors summary 2 hard disk NVMe summary CD/DVD SATA summary auto detect 4 of 8 network USB controller sound this USB control USB 3 show all checked share boot not checked check add remove OK cancel help button tab control network CD/DVD SATA hard disk the connection device use physical use ISO use browse use blank C users Joseph downloads Linux Mint 20 C users Joseph downloads Ubuntu 20 C users Joseph downloads Ubuntu 20 C browse.
No, I don't want that. You
browse for ISO files of type.
Where are we?
Earlier this week 3 last week earlier this drums grade 3 1 of.
Oh, I got a lot.
Last month grouping expanded Windows.ISO 5 of.
Alright,
Virtual.
Here is the Windows 10 ISO that I created using a exe called Windows Media Creation Tool. I will show that probably after
Advanced.
this.
Connect. Add button.
And
Connect.
it also depends
Use
on your
drop.
network
Advanced.
connection
Add.
as well.
Connect 63%. Add. Advanced. Add. Remove. OK button.
Alright,
Windows 10 devices. Memory 3.
I'm
Device. Edit for power
gonna
on this virtual machine.
power this thing
Pane.
on.
Windows 10 x64. VMware. Edit read only multi-line. You are running mitigation enhanced blank. And you are running this virtual machine with side channel mitigations enabled. Side channel mitigations provide enhanced security, but also lower performance. To disable mitigations, change the side channel mitigation setting in the advanced panel of the virtual machine settings. Refer to VMware Kilobytes article 79832 at https://kb.vmware.com/s/article/79,832 for more details.
I will
do not show it. OK.
that.
Edit. Do not. OK button. Do edit.
You know what?
Checked. Not checked. OK. Windows 10 X.
So when the installation of Windows comes on, I can turn on this screen reader called Narrator inside the VM.
Speech mode on demand.
I will just use this thing called OCR by pressing caps lock and R.
Recognize. Home X mic window time X. Timeout. X. IEFI network. IEFI network. Pane.
What the?
Recognizing line feed. Home. X mic win time X. IEFI network. I space EFI space NETWORK dot line feed blank. Pane.
Weird. Should I just press
unknown cursor?
Enter. I just press Control plus G.
Normal cursor. Desktop
For
on Windows 10 x64 VMware list desktop normal cursor desktop.
And also it also keeps going in full screen.
Toolbar edit view VM tabs help
like.
file edit alt file help alt tabs alt plus T5 of 7 context previous tab with pane.
Let me
show
check
one
that
show
OBS
show hit
is
one
still
show
going
OBS.
First of all, what I had to
OBS
do is I needed to
OBS Windows OBS audio proper volume mute the property volume mute mic controls scenes with control scene sources win audio scene duration add stop recording checkbox check start setting exit sources win lock visit controls window exit but sort set it start stop starts scene trans stop start streaming stop record start virtual configure studio setting exit sort lock audio volume mute the proper volume mute scenes window control scene sources window list see controls window pause recording checkbox not checked space not checked. Windows 10 x64
that's still going. I will
record my win time X IEFI network IEFI pane.
Weird.
Unknown cursor.
How did I do this before? Also, it's just gone in full screen again, which I don't want it to do because now I can't use my mouse. Weird. First of all, sometimes what I have to do is I have to put my computer on sleep.
Numlock off.
Sometimes I have to put my computer on sleep and then I have to get it so I can use my thing again. So I'll do that now.
Secure desktop window unlock Windows 10 Windows OBS Windows 10 unrecord home X mic win X Windows language to English United.
Alright, we're in the installer. I can turn narrator on now, Control Windows Enter. If it will come on, because it's being weird. I hope I have not broken anything, because now I can't.
List desktop normal cursor. Desktop list. With OBS Windows 10 toolbar edit alt view alt VM alt con powers removable power sub startup guest control plus B on shutdown get power remove seed network sound Logitech sound disconnect D1 of 2 settings S2 of 2.
This is weird because it doesn't seem to use the sound
virtual machine
card.
settings connect list connected power on checkbox checked alt plus up connect specify host sound card combo speakers line 1 speaker headset earphone speed line 1 add remove button alt OK button. Windows 10 x64 VMware workstation toolbar file alt plus F1 of 7 R new open win R recognize I let it view VM tabs help I let it E I L E space E D I E space V I E dub space V M toolbar.
Let's see.
Unknown cursor.
Exiting narrator.
Oh, here we go. Alright,
Narrator dialog.
it's ready.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, I
Windows
can continue.
Key. Time and currency format. English. United Kingdom. Keyboard or input method. United Kingdom. Next. Install now. But repair your computer. Install now. Install Windows window.
Okay,
No previous item. Setup is no next item. No previous. No next item.
Type list. Desktop.
also now I can
OBS
switch
Windows. OBS window.
this thing back to the
Windows
default.
bar.
setup
Help
window.
tabs. VM.
Product key edit control. Edit.
I do not have a product key, so I will
View
skim
alt edit
that.
alt view alt VM
Okay.
alt tabs VM context menu. Window toolbar toolbar edit press alt plus E toolbar view press alt plus V3 toolbar VM powers remove a pause control send control grab input send control grab input control set pause removable device powers removable CD chickeny a long colon fingerprint sub menu.
Also, I can remove my I can put my camera to the EM once I set it up.
Logitech Logi sound card Logitech connect show and change icon connect Logitech sound network sound disk settings,
which is very nice. But we're not doing that now.
virtual machine settings dialog list sound device connected checkbox connect device connect use default specify use add remove OK VMware workstation dialog. The default host sound card will be used the next time this virtual machine is powered on. OK button.
Yeah.
Pressed. Virtual Windows 10. Unknown cursor. List. Desktop.
It doesn't work.
Desktop. Windows 10. Windows 10 X. Tool
Never
5
mind.
edit View Alt VM Alt plus Epcon settings manage sub install VMware tools settings
I will do that later after it's set up, and then I can copy things over if I really want
Windows.
to.
Virtual machine set app. Property list memory summer. Property page maximum recommend megabyte memory.
No,
List
I don't
processors network at sound card summary auto detect 7 of 8 sound device lists sound card connected checkbox checked connected power on checkbox checked connection grouping use the specify combo speakers line 1 add remove but OK but
At least I have my OBS
unknown
configured.
cursor.
Windows setup dialog. No. Yes. But. Rich edit control. End of line. Windows setup. Windows setup. Image. Rich edit control. Yes. No. Cancel. No next item.
Is there something?
No previous item. Windows setup. Windows setup. Image. Windows setup. Rich edit control. No. But. Yes. No. Yes. No. But. Yes. Rich end of. Are you blank?
Where is it? Oh.
Are you sure that you want to quit? Yes. No. Windows setup window. Product key. Privacy state. I don't have a product key.
Okay. Because I can activate
Select the
it in a
exit.
way.
Select the operating system you want to install. Enter table. Select the operating system you want to install.
So here, basically what you can do is you can select the operating system you want, whichever version of Windows, but once you go ahead and install it, you can't change it unless you reinstall the whole operating system from this point. By what I mean is the ISO and things that I have.
Exit. Select Windows 10 Home. One of.
Because what I always do is I do not like to look at. I mean, I've looked at other people's videos how to install a VM, and I've done it myself, and it's easy. Probably same goes for VirtualBox, but it will be a bit harder because of accessibility issues. But anyway, I will think of what one I want.
Windows 10 Home N. Windows 10 Home Single Language. 3 of 7.
What's that?
Windows 10 Education. Windows 10 Education N. 5. Windows 10 Pro. 6 of. Windows 10 Pro N. 7 of. Windows 10 Pro. 6 of 7.
Yeah,
Selected.
I'm gonna do Windows 10
Exit
Pro
table.
because
Next.
why not? Okay, what's it says?
License. I accept. I accept the license terms. Space. Checked.
I'm basic. Sometimes if I want to read a bit of text, I would use
Next
caps lock and
button.
hold it down and
Upgrade.
things.
Back. Installed. Back. But. Installed. Which type of installation do you want? Cancel. Up. Back. Installed. Custom. Upgrade. Install Windows and keep files. Settings and applications. The files, settings and applications are moved to Windows with this option. This option is only available when a supported version of Windows is already running on the computer. Button, Alt plus U.
Well, they already have it, but technically it's not. I mean, technically I deleted the whole thing in my OneDrive folder, which is because I crashed the. Well, I couldn't. I mean, like I could hear the VM, but let me.
No list.
I need to
Desktop.
disconnect
Desktop
something.
NV preference tools. View config remote connect disconnect. Windows normal Windows 10 win.
Back. Install. Cut. Upgrade. Install Windows and keep files. Custom. Install Windows only. Advanced. The file. Up. Custom. Install Windows only. Advanced. The files, settings and applications aren't moved to Windows with this option. If you want to make changes to partitions and drives, start the computer using the installation disk. We recommend backing up your files before you continue. Button, Alt plus C.
Well, I do not have any files. So I
Install
will
type,
do
upgrade, custom, back, button, install, space, list view, exit new, button, refresh, button, list view control, enter table list view control,
See,
1 by 5,
Let's see what
drive
drive
0
we have.
unallocated,
Yeah.
exit new, load driver, button, load driver dialog, OK, browse, cancel, OK, button, not a narrator command, not a rich edit control, load driver, driver. To install the device driver for your drive, insert the installation media containing the driver files, then click OK. Blank. Note, the installation media can be a CD, DVD or USB flash drive. Rich edit, browse, OK, cancel, Windows setup, hide, browse, hide drivers that aren't compatible with this select the driver, space, exit table, hide drivers that, browse, rescan, back, driver selection, select the driver to install, selected, supports multiple selection,
Okay.
contains 0 items, exit,
Weird.
space, exit list, exit list, space, exit table, refresh, new, load driver, next,
Next, I will install Windows in the C
Windows
drive.
setup window, copying Windows files, 0%, getting files ready for installation, 0%.
Okay.
Unknown.
No previous Windows. Getting files ready for installation, 0%.
List.
Getting
List.
files ready
Desktop.
for
Desktop list.
installation,
86 40
0%.
12 vol 10 volume. OBS 3 Windows OBS 30.1. Windows unknown
Yeah, it's
cursor.
not letting me do it. So, whilst this installs, Anyway, this is probably this may
Getting
be not
files ready for installation, 7%.
this may be not the best tutorial I've done, but I hope it makes sense. I'll try and put some links in the description when I can, like to download the Windows Media Creation tool and also download VMware Workstation Pro. Yes, I got the Pro license. Well, I'm just gonna link to the player one to be safe, because I don't want to get, I just don't want to get whatever you call it. If the, I mean, for example, say for example, if I got VMware Workstation from one of, from a website, YouTube would probably flag that as illegal software or
Getting
whatever.
files ready for
But I'm not.
installation, 37%.
Well, I can always link to the VMware main website and you can download VMware Player. But I just have VMware Pro, let's sake. Sorry, I just had to mute
Getting files ready for
for a second.
installation,
And VAC
55%.
glitched.
Getting files ready for installation, 55%.
Alright.
Getting files ready for installation, 71%. Getting files ready for installation, 71%. Getting files ready for installation, 75%. Getting files ready for installation, 75%. Getting files ready for installation, 87%. Getting files ready for installation, 87%. Getting files ready for installation, 98%.
I'm back, I just had to go and do something.
Installing features. Installing features.
Just for quicker references, what I'm gonna
Installing
do
updates.
is I'm gonna
Installing
connect
updates.
my phone to my computer, and then it's easier for me. Then I get a better internet connection. Much better.
Cap. No previous item. Cancel. Windows setup. Cancel button. Progress. Installing Windows. Your computer will restart several. Installing updates.
Okay, Windows will be
Finish.
installed
Restart
in the
now
VM.
button. Alt plus R.
Alright, it says.
Restarting in 4 seconds. Windows needs to restart to continue.
And it's gone in full screen again.
Secure desktop.
There
Unlock
we go.
Windows 10X. Windows OBS. Windows 10X. Unknown. Record file. File alt. R. Recognize file. Edit alt file. Help tabs alt. Windows 10X. Unknown cursor. Record file alt plus tool. File alt toolbar. File help alt tab via.
Okay, why was it focusing me on the toolbar and I couldn't navigate away? Oh well, Windows is starting. Then I should... Then I can carry on with the normal setup as per usual.
Numlock on.
Which,
Numlock off.
which, you know, by this point, it's a regular setup and it will be much faster than the actual installation. Anyway, that will be good. Let's just wait. Sorry, guys. I wish I was an expert at editing. Then I'd be able to cut out all the necessary bits, but I'm not, because I've seen sighted people do that. Well, they probably put background music. I could probably do that, but I don't want to. Anyway.
List desktop.
Come on,
desktop.
control
Windows OBS window record file. Record file file line blank file edit record VM via tab help file edit view via tab help alt plus H6 file alt edit alt plus E view alt plus context full screen custom auto size sub menu fit window fit guest stretch guest sub console view check unity use full screen control plus shift plus alt plus enter F1 of 11 custom full screen control plus shift plus alt plus enter Windows power sub menu removable device seed chicken Elon Logitech log Apple iPhone sub menu A connect change icon connect disconnect from change forget show and stat forget connection rule F3 of 4 Apple iPhones Logitech connect show change connect Logitech Apple iPhone Logitech Apple connect show forget Windows 10 X6 close but toolbar tree view but tool close button closes the move focus OBS Windows 10 X unknown cursor.
Okay.
Unknown list desktop Windows record file alt plus F1 of group window grouping document OBS 30 YouTube email or phone edit blank.
I will fix that
for
later.
YouTube document content info landmark list desk with OBS window OBS with OBS no next list scene no object no next list scene audio mixer Windows 10
I will do that later.
Record file file alt plus title pane VM pane unknown pane unknown pane.
Oh, it's on. Okay.
No previous item. Getting ready. No next item. No previous item. No next item. No previous item.
It might be a bit quiet
Getting ready.
for some of you. That's because I don't know what happened to the volume, but I can hear it because I have listened to this device, so all the system audio is going through to one of my VAC cables. I will fix YouTube in a minute. I mean, I need to fix it in OBS again because there's this docs widget that comes up. And I can't even move to it with the keyboard, but I have to do it with the mouse, like, see here?
Getting ready.
Win check unknown cursor. Property page unknown. Text unknown. Text and unknown property text. Install Windows 10 x64 as you would on a physical computer. When you are done and the operating system boots up, click I finished installing normal cursor. Property page, click in the help button. I finished button. Help button.
What's this?
Help button. I finished install Windows 10 x64 as you would on a physical computer. When you are done and the operating system boots up, click I finished installing. Click in the virtual screen to send keystrokes graphic. Click in the virtual graphic. No click
Oh.
and click and help button. I finished and help. I fit button.
Not now.
Unavailable. Recognize mic window getting ready. Getting red pane.
Okay.
Unknown cursor.
Getting ready. No previous item. No next item. Cat B.
Okay, this better hurry up.
Unknown.
Let me have a look.
With pane dragging. Unknown. Unknown preview. Unknown. Unknown text. Pane text. Window text. Status bar. Unknown. Window. Unknown. Normal cursor. A button. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft pane. Pop-up post. A button. Unknown. Button. Microsoft Store status on pane. Pop-up post. Text window. Vertex text. Apple iPhone tooltip. Contact. Connect. Change icon. Forget. Hide icon. Connect. Disconnect. Window.
Oh. Okay.
Unknown. Text. Normal cursor. Unknown. Unknown cursor. Win content info landmark. Normal cursor. OBS 30.1. List. Privacy. Help link. English. Create account. Next. Learn more about. Forgotten. Emailer. YouTube document blank. Record to emailer to continue to YouTube. Sign in. YouTube
I will
document
do that.
section. Window. Window. OBS Windows. OBS Windows unknown. Left. Blank. Right. Blank. Recognize. Already in the content. Direct input to this status.
Alright, what's it
Unknown.
doing?
Pane.
Let me have a look.
Text unavailable. Unknown. Unknown text. Normal cursor. Text. Hard. Unknown. Text. Unknown cursor. Hard text. Unknown cursor. Text. Normal cursor. Unknown. Unknown cursor. Text. Unknown. Unknown cursor.
Like, it doesn't...
Win list. Desktop. Win doc section. Heading set. Unknown. Unknown cursor.
Eh.
No Windows 10X. Windows 10. Nor OBS 30. Windows 10X. OBS 30. Grouping. Windows 10. Normal task view window. Running Windows 10 x64. VMware workstation. Pane. Unknown cursor. OBS Windows 10 OBS 30.1.2 profile untitled scenes Windows 10 nor OBS Windows 10 no OBS Windows 10 x64 folder view list Google Chrome not selected 23 of list folder view Windows 10 X window recognize let's start with region is it basics let's start with region is this correct pane
Oh, no.
unknown
Okay.
cursor
Narrator dialog. OK. Turn. OK.
There
Buttons.
we go.
Microsoft. Control bar. Read. Yes. Region selection. United. Region. Region. Yes. Button. Control bar.
Okay,
Volume.
now we
Ease
can
of
turn up the
volume.
volume.
Volume. Volume. Slider. 92%. Volume. Volume. 99, 90. Volume 54, volume 50, volume 14, 50, 50. Volume level, mute toggle, volume, slide,
Okay, let's
Microsoft,
set up.
yes, region selection, United Kingdom, yes,
Yes.
yes.
I will do
Windows
an
setup.
offline
Just a
account for
moment.
now, and then later I will probably reset
Just a
the whole
moment.
thing
At
again
level 2,
and
keyboard
set it up
selection,
with
United
my
Kingdom,
personal stuff I did.
195, selected.
Because I just don't want any information getting leaked out
Yes.
for now.
Control bar, ease of volume, bar, keyboard selection, United Kingdom, yes. Control, is this the keyboard? Yes. But keyboard select, if you also use another keyboard layout, you can add that next. Keyboard selection, United, yes. Is this the right keyboard layout? Keyboard select, Canadian, United Kingdom, yes. But
Okay.
skip, button,
What's it saying here?
add layout, skip.
Oh,
button.
I don't need to add a second keyboard layout.
Skip Windows setup. Control Win. Just a moment. At level 2. Now we have some important setting up to do.
Hang on, I'll be back. I'll just let
Control
the
bar. Ease of access. button.
Never
Ease
mind.
of access. Volume. Now we have some important control. Now we have some important setting
Yeah,
up to do.
I'm just gonna look at something on my phone and then I'll be back.
Sit back and relax while we work our magic. Please don't turn off your device. Still setting things up. Thanks for your patience. We are still working. Please don't turn off your device. Still setting things up. Thanks for your patience.
I'm back. Virtual audio cable just glitched on me.
Volume
So it's
level 100.
weird.
We are still working. Volume level 100. Volume level 100. Volume level 82.
Also, I can turn down the VM
Please
without
don't turn off
affecting
your
my
device.
actual computer,
Volume level 100.
which is very cool.
Unknown.
Okay, we got through this part of setup. Okay, we got through this part of setup. Windows setup.
Yeah.
Just a moment. At
Thank you.
level 2.
12, 4,
Just
6,
a
18,
moment.
vol, 20
At level
volume
2.
level. OBS,
How would you
Windows,
like to
OBS,
set up?
OBS,
Set up for
Windows,
personal
Windows,
use.
unknown
One.
cursor.
Control. How set up for an or set up for personal. Set up for personal use. 1 of 2. Select next button. Space. Windows setup. Just a moment. At level 2. Get more when you sign in. Enter your
No,
name
I'm
and
not
address.
going to
Link.
sign in, you
Link.
idiot.
Sign in. Link.
Not
Link.
now.
Sign in with a security key. Link. See how your data offline account. Button.
Yeah, it's
Please
using
wait.
offline
Windows
account.
setup. Limited control bar. Limited experience. Button. Next button.
Okay.
Space. Windows setup. Just get more when you sign in. Link.
Oh,
Link.
I went back.
See how.
Hang on.
Link. Offline account. Button. Link. Offline account. Space.
I need to read
Please
this.
wait. Next button. Limited experience. Access free. Enjoy 2. Sign 1. A dotted line connecting a banner. Sign in to enjoy the full range of Microsoft apps and services at level. A dotted line. Banner. A dotted line connecting a smiling woman. A cloud with icons for Microsoft services and different devices with the same image on all of them. Image. 1. Sign in and create an account. 2. Enjoy everything from games to Office to free cloud storage with OneDrive. 3. Access the tools you love on all your devices. Limited experience. Button. Next. Limited experience. Windows setup. Name. Edit. Or even name. Or even better. Use an online name. Edit. Cap N. Space. The cap T.
Okay, I'm gonna type a name. My normal YouTube name.
Space. The T. K-H. K-H.
Wait a
K-H.
sec. Yeah.
Caps lock off. E space. The E H O N O R L space technological E N I S or even next but next password or even better next button.
I don't want that.
Windows setup. Just a moment at level 2. Just a moment at level 2. Not an array. Move to beginning of text. 1310, the 7th of July, 2024. Control, yes. Learn more, yes. Scan. When you browse the web using heading level,
I hate
scan
my
off,
throat.
selected.
My
Control,
oh,
ease of access, volume.
bad.
Control bar,
Just kidding.
yes. Import, not now, 2 of 2.
Not now.
Not, learn more,
Thank you.
next, but space. Windows setup, just a moment. Yes, get location-based experiences like direct.
This is going to be a
No, you
long
won't be
video.
space. Learn more, accept, but yes, turn on find my device and view. No window. Yes, turn on space. Learn more, accept, send window, send required and option space. Learn more,
Yeah,
accept,
I will
space.
do that.
Yes, send optional linking and typing diagnostic data to Microsoft to improve the language recognition and suggestion capabilities of apps and services running on Windows. Windows, improve, no, don't use my diagnostic data. Yes, space, learn, accept.
I really don't mind.
Yes, let Microsoft use your diagnostic data. No, the tip. Yes, let space, learn more, accept.
I really don't
space.
mind
Yes,
accept
apps,
location.
Windows, let, know the number. Yes, apps can use advertise. Know the number.
No.
Space, learn, accept.
No thanks.
Space. Windows set.
Okay.
Just a moment. At level 2. No pane. Let's custom. Select all the ways you planned. Windows. Select gaming, school, create, business, family. Learn more. Skip. But Windows setup. Just a. Let. Not now. Accept. Not now. Learn more. Not learn. Let Cortana respond to Hey Cortana. Space. Checked. Space. Learn more. Not now. Accept. But Windows setup.
Cortana's no longer available.
Getting your PC ready.
Can't you?
This might take a few minutes.
I'll be back in a bit. I'm gonna.
Don't turn off your
Anyway,
PC.
yeah. Whilst this is going, I always like to do other things, but I mute my mic when I'm doing them sometimes. But anyway, yeah.
Getting your PC ready. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Getting your PC ready. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Getting your PC ready. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC.
I'm back. What notification was that?
Scan. Micro.
Oh,
Continue.
what's it saying?
Scan. Browse the web.
Oh,
Scan.
I think we're in.
Taskbar. Hey. Narrator.
Alright, we're in.
Cat T. Narrator. 2 of 2. Narrator. 2 of 2. Continue. Button. Continue. Button. Scan. Microsoft. Browse the web with the best performing browser. Scan. Continue.
Not right now. I don't know what that button's for.
Welcome to Microsoft Edge. Let's start.
Excuse me.
W.
I will shut that down.
Narrate. New tab. Pro.
And also what I always like to do is...
Okay. Don't turn off. Don't. Okay. Space.
So right
Welcome
now,
to Microsoft Edge. Group.
the thing
Welcome to
is
Microsoft.
connected
Narrator heading level 1.
to the internet.
Link. Choose. Sign into sync data. Choose an account. Add. Start without your data. But always have access. Cat W. Group. Always have access to your recent browsing data. At level 4, stay up to date by regularly bringing in your browsing
No.
data.
No!
New narrator. New tab. Welcome. Cat W. Link. Allow. Radio. Link. Micros. Don't allow. Allow. Radio. Don't allow. Space. Confirm and continue. We can help you import your browser. Group. We can help you import your browsing
I
data
will
from
just
Google. If
skip
you use a
that.
Google browser with continue without sign into Google. Continue without. Help us make Microsoft. Group. Help us make Microsoft X. Allow. Link. Manage. Link. Microsoft. Don't allow. Radio but. Link. Man. Allow. Don't allow. Allow. Radio. Confirm and start. Opening new tab. Closing tab. Cat W.
Closing
Narrate.
that.
Scan. Well. Quick. Narrate. What? Set. Feed. Link. Exit. Narrate. Minimize. Taskbar. Notification. Network Internet Access. Meet. Notification. Action Center. One new notification. Cat. Action Center.
See what we have.
Notification. Clear all notification. Clear this notification. Searching for display driver. Screen resolution, performance and battery life may be reduced until a compatible driver has finished installing. Received at 1314.
I will fix
Settings
that
window.
now.
Settings, search box, find a setting. Windows up, check for updates. Link, check hard, check for up, link. Get ready for Windows 11. Check for updates, get ready for link, button. To see if this PC can run Windows 11, check the hardware requirements or visit your PC manufacturer's website. Get the latest updates as button, link.
I will do
space.
that now. See if it works.
Settings, pay. Settings, Windows 11 specs and system. Windows 11 graphic. We use optional cookies.
I don't want Microsoft Edge.
Cat B.
Unlist. Folder
It's
view.
time
More
for me to
folders.
install
OBS Windows. OBS Windows.
VMware tools.
Toolbar help tab VM Alt plus M407.
So the way I'll do this is I'll go to VM
Context setting. Install
and
VMware
then
tools.
go to
Windows 10
install VMware
x64.
tools and
VMware
then I'll get
workstation. Pane.
something in the guest operating system, which is probably accessible. Because
Record micro P-type
New
SH13
notification from autoplay.
Pane.
yep,
DVD
it's
drive.
mounted.
Unknown
D.
cursor.
Time for me to
Copy.
open File Explorer.
View modes.
I will
Frequent
fix that
tree-
right
Frequent
now.
tree view network. This OneDrive. This PC
Okay.
folders. Document downloads for devices and drive. Devices and local disk. DVD drive.
Okay, that's where
User account. VMware product installation dialog. Pane.
Marco's.
Cat T.
What the
Cat
heck?
T. Narrator 1 running with this PC. 1 task. V. Narrator 1. VMware. Narrator 1. This VMware 2. This P. VMware 2. VMware. Cancel. Next. Cancel. Next. But. VMware 2. Back. Typical. Cancel. Typical. Complete. Custom. Radio button. Complete. Radio button. Typical. Radio button. Complete. Custom. Back. Next.
See what we have
button.
in custom, guys.
VMware tools. Cancel. Toolbox. 1 of 2. Expand. Sold Minion. 1 of 1. VMware device drivers. Sold Minion. 1 of 1. Space. Context. Menu. Menu item. Menu item. Menu item. VMware. Cancel. Next. back, button, disk usage, help, but, sold million, 1, VMware, VMC, device helper, 1, shared folders, 2, SVGA driver, 2, VMXNet Free NIC driver, ParaVirtual SCSI, 4, EFI firmware update, memory control driver, 6, PS2 mouse driver, USB mouse driver, volume shadow copy services support, 9, cancel, next, back, but, space, VMware 2, next, cancel,
I'm gonna do complete
custom,
installation.
complete, back, but, next,
So I want all of it.
VMware,
Because
back, install, cancel, install, space, VMware tool setup window, cancel, button, weeksui underscore BMP
it will
underscore
work
banner,
as
image.
normal.
Please wait while the setup wizard installs VMware tools. Installing VMware tools.
It will work as normal, and I will probably put some links in the description. They may not be complete, so please let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best, and I'll update. I'll update the thing when I can, okay? Anyway.
Pane list, folder view
Let's
list.
see.
OBS, Windows 10 x64, OBS 30. OBS audio source scenes
Are we
sources
still
audio
recording?
scene audio mix scene add controls window start streaming checkbox not stop recording checkbox checked start
Things are being
stop recording checkbox rate 50 rate 55 rate 50.
I need to keep my rate at 50 because I've had enough
OBS
of
30
it
Windows 10 x
being
Windows 10 x
slow.
unknown
It's
cursor.
already been slow enough. But the VM, fine.
Cap T. Cap B. Cap B.
Unknown.
Taskbar pane, notification chevron, button, new notification from autoplay, DVD drive, D. ESD
settings window,
ISO,
quick settings
select
window,
what
Wi-Fi
happens
hotspot.
when this is.
Wait.
One of cap action center,
Okay.
pin tile, search,
Okay.
action set, manage, VMware, notification, VMware tools. VMware tools updated VMUS, VMHGFS and requires a system restart. Received at 1320, clear this notification, collapse this settings for this, expand quick action, clear all, expand, notifications. VMware tools,
Okay.
expand quick actions, no new notification, this, VMware, this PC, VMware 2, weeksu. This PC, 2 of 2. VMware tool setup window, finish, button, Alt and F. VMware tool setup window, yes, no, yes, but, no, yes, button, no, yes, space, desktop lit.
Numlock on. Numlock off.
Yeah, so basically what's happening is I just restarted the guest now. I mean, like, there was a dialogue that I had to respond to on the thing. Yep, it's still working. It will let me sign in if I press enter.
List folder
I
view
don't know
normal
when
cursor.
it comes
Folder view.
up.
OBS Windows 10 x64. Recognizing welcome. The technological G. The technological G. T H E space E E C H N O L O G I C A L space E line feed W line feed G space L space G E line feed. The technological G. Pane.
Oh, nice.
Unknown cursor.
Okay, press enter. And then see if it comes on now. Yeah, I'll see if it works and I'll check. Because it's kind of fun installing Windows and then I could destroy it later on.
Exiting narrator.
Oh,
Narrate. Don't turn. OK. Taskbar. Show desktop. Start. Scan off. Narrate.
and also there's this
Narrate.
NVDA copy
Link.
which I have,
Exit narrate.
which is
Minimize.
a screen reader.
Taskbar. Pane.
Yep, it's a screen reader for the blind, and that's what I will use for the VM in a minute. Ow, I just scraped something. Ow. If I can find where I put it, that is. Because then
News and interests window.
I don't want news and interests. And also it's quite hard to get that window off. Because
Pane.
it's... Oh... Never mind, I'm not sure where it is. Anyway, I guess...
Playlist folder view, normal cursor. Folder view list.
I was looking for one
Windows,
of my
Windows 10, OBS
SD
30, start
cards.
scene graph control, stop recording, check, start virtual, start stream, start streaming, checkbox, not stop scene control, stop recording, start virtual, stop recording, checkbox checked.
So yeah, I guess what I'm gonna do
Windows,
now is
OBS
I'm
30,
gonna
Windows 10,
shut
Windows
down
10
the
X6, unknown
guest
cursor.
because
Task
Windows
B.
the Windows
Mail.
installation is
Narrator 1 running
complete
window.
now. And I can shut down the guest.
All apps. Start. All app. Alarms and caps. Calculate. Calendar.
This
Start.
Windows version
Search.
is old
Start.
that I have.
Toggle start.
I don't know if Microsoft
Power.
even
6.
bother to upgrade, no,
Pop-up with
update.
shut down. Restart. Sleep. Shut down.
Yeah, you know, update the Windows, what's called the Windows Media Creation tool. But I will be able to put links in the description on how to, well, to download those because I don't want to show it in the video. I may do it in the next one. And also, yeah, I may do it in the next one. Or maybe I can always host it myself on Google Drive if it's easier, or I don't know, OneDrive, whatever. And also yeah, also with VMware Workstation Pro, what I can also do is I would have to forward my ports, and if someone wanted to connect to one of my VMs remotely to do something, even all the system commands, or to remotely, you know, go on the VM.
Shut down.
Anyway, I'm going to shut down the guest, and I will
Start.
probably see you in the next video.
List folder view, normal cursor. Folder
yeah.
view list. Windows 10, OBS 30, Windows 10.
And
OBS scene graph
yeah.
control, stop recording, start streaming, checkbox not checked. Start streaming, checkbox not checked. Stop recording, checkbox checked. Stop.
Also, I have not been uploading for the past, like, maybe, when was the last, maybe a few months ago. I haven't been uploading for the past few months. Also, I will not be active on, you know, all my socials, for a week because I will be doing something
Stop recording, checkbox.
which is relation to my school. Well, you know, which is
Stop recording, checkbox.
something to do with my school, but I'm not gonna say it here. Anyway, bye guys, hope everyone has a good day, and I'm out!